Hey folks, Ken Litton with DAS Companies Inc. We are open and working during this crisis. We hope everybody out there is being safe. So what we're going to do today is actually go over an unboxing of a KickEQ marine amplifier. But this isn't your normal marine amplifier. This KickEQ KMA450.6 does a little extra. Now, you've seen your mono amplifiers and your 2-channel amplifiers, your 4 and your 5-channel amplifiers. This is a 6-channel amplifier from, yeah, you heard me right, the 6-channel amplifier from KickEQ. So let's open this thing up and take a peek at it here real quick. So, nice, good size amplifier. It's about 14 inches long, 7 inches wide, 2 inches tall. Let's open this up. So you got the gel, don't eat that. So we'll set the amplifier aside. Something else I see in here, of course, you've got your owner's manual in here. And you've got your certified power. So this particular one, let's see if we can get it in there for you to see it. Yep, this particular one is 524 watts RMS. Let's just put it right back in here. And take out the accessories. Put it back here. Right. So you'll notice that the ends of this thing, this is once again, it's a marine amplifier. The ends on these things are a little different than most amplifiers. Let's see if we can see that here. See how that is recessed in there? So normally the connection is flush. Well, it's recessed in there, so when you take your 4 gauge and you strip it back and you put it in, not only does, of course, the wire go in there, but the insulation goes in as well, okay? Makes a nice little insulation seal around it, too. Now, something else you may notice here is all the connections on this. Yeah, so I mentioned this is a 6-channel. Now, you also notice that it says amp 1, amp 2, and amp 3. So what that really translates to is amp 1 is channel 1 and 2, amp 2 is channel 3 and 4, and amp 3 is channel 5 and 6. Okay. Now this amplifier is 40 watts by 6 at 4 ohm and 75 watts by 6 at 2 ohm, and then 150 watts by 3 at 4 ohm there. So they got a lot of versatility with this. Now, speaking of versatility, it is also a 3-zone controlled amplifier. So you can take these channels and you can run, a couple channels up top, a couple channels to the bottom cabin, a couple channels to maybe some wakeboard speakers. Okay, so you can do that with even by using one of the KickEQ KMC4 or the KMC5 that has the dual zone capability in there. But you're going to need that to access the different zones, if you will. So, and something else you'll notice on here, it has a marine, of course it has a marine bottom, it has an aluminum bottom on it here. Speaking of marine, by the way, it has gone through a couple different compliances. So it's been through the American Boat and Yacht Council, okay, as far as the compliance with them. It's also been through the National Marine Manufacturers Association. It's also compliant with them too. So it's a very well built amplifier. Speaking of well built, it comes with 316L stainless steel hardware. So 316L stainless steel, as I'm sure you know, will not rust on you. Okay, so a lot of great features built into this amplifier. And let's just give you a little shot of all the crossovers on the side here. Channels 1 through 4 is 0 to 200 at a 12 dB, and channel 5 and 6, as it says amp 3 on here, we went over that earlier, it actually is from 50 to 200 12 dB per octave crossover. It's a pretty healthy a pretty healthy amplifier too. It's got some weight to it. Something else that comes with, as we pulled out earlier, comes with the bass knob. Let's pull this out here. And ooh, it's got the nice little clicky things on it. You know what I'm talking about. So we got a nice little rotary knob there. And to show you the connection, I'll give you an idea how deep it is. It's kind of hard to get it in that camera there. There we go. And it comes with enough cable to run it through the front and the back. So nice little amplifier from KickEQ. Matter of fact, please give us a ring. We can go over the KickEQ Marine. We can also go over the other KickEQ products with you. Just give us a call at 1-800-233-7009. We are here for you. We are shipping, and we're here, and we hope you are being safe during this crisis.